located. Impact damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Walnut Creek, Seven Springs, cliffs of the New State Park, Eloy, and Larch Mac. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Wayne, North Carolina.
Yeah.
The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Yep, this is another severe thunderstorm warning.